Alright guys, we got a 2009-2010 Absolute Memorabilia. This is my first online box break. Wish me luck. First box. Need a password to open this? Jesus, I really don't want nobody taking them. Face one. What we got here? Luke Ridnour. Luke Ridnour. What we got here? Sean Bradley. Redemption card. I'll check that a little later. Luol Deng. Can't go with that. The redemption is Rookie Premier Materials 159. You guys can see that right there. 159. Let's see who that is. 159. Rookies Premier Material, NBA Signatures. 159 is Rodrigue Balboa. See it right there, guys. Balboa. Alright, that's the redemption. Put that to the side. Now let me get another pack. Let's see what I got here. Andre Iguodala on the cover. Sean Bradley, that was the number one. I forgot to point that one out, guys. Sean Bradley was number 2 at 100. I'm opening this one up right now, actually. Andre Iguodala.
I got some good ones.
What we got here? What is this? Uh-oh, look who that is. Blake Griffin. Phil Johnson. This one's number 200, by the way. Nice. I got Blake Griffin.
Oh, nice.
This is a nice one, bro.
Oh, nice.
Blake Griffin.
Nice.
Signature.
What the hell's that on his
Patch.
shoe?
Leather. It's a nice one.
That's gotta be like his shoe.
That's on Jameson.
The leather on your shoe? Probably like a
nice one.
Or a wristband, you think?
There's another box right here.
What's that here? No, I think that's like...
See what we got here.
That's nice.
Rudy Gay in the cover.
Yeah, look at shoe. That's nice.
Nice, man.
We got Rudy Gay. What we got here? Ray Allen. Ray Allen, number 25. What we got here?
Ooh,
Amari Stoudemire patch. Amari Stoudemire patch. Number 3 out of 5. Number 3 out of 5. Amari Stoudemire patch. Right there. 3 out of 5. Mo Williams, not numbered.
Oh, he got him.
Yeah. Last
Guy's
box.
got to play someday. That's a gorgeous card.
Last box.
Jersey.
Last one, guys. Hope we get a good hit on this one. It's been an alright box so far. Darren Wallace in the front.
Look at him filling. You're really into this.
Yeah. We got here Joe Wallace. Spectrum, Derek Brown. Oof. This is a nice one. This is number 100. Look at this one, guys. Danny Granger, monster patch. See that? Monster.
Just give me a regular.
Number 24 out of 25. See that?
I like that
It's a
box.
good one, guys. And
Yeah,
really just
nice.
base Tim Duncan.
I like the cars.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. Be on the lookout for some more.